What's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here in Brooklyn, New York. It's a little cold, but I'm back here. I have to put another fuel pressure sensor in the car right here. This is a different one. I'm not sure if it's the high pressure fuel sensor or the low pressure. I replaced the one that was on the high fuel pressure pump, and this one here is supposedly for, or the one that's on the fuel rail. I'm not sure which one it is, but I don't know if I'm gonna change it in this video because I'm at work and I don't want to get in trouble. But what I am gonna do, every time I leave this car sitting for 2 days, I turn it on, something else is wrong with it. So this morning I got in the car, my signal light wasn't working. So we're gonna replace that. So for this sensor here, I had to buy this big old socket, which is a 1 1/16 Duralast. I forgot how much I paid for it, but it's in the teens. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna use. I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna do it in this video, but I'm definitely gonna do it either tomorrow or maybe after Christmas. But give me a sec, I'll be right back, and we'll change that rear light. All right, so let me show you. So these are the light bulbs. 7506, it's for the blinkers. And so we're gonna change those real quick. So let me show you, if you don't know, I have a 2006 Volkswagen GTI, also known as the MK5. I got the 2.0 turbo. So in the back here, this is the light. So in the back here, you pull the, the little rug flap here. And I don't know if you can see right here, you have a plastic nut. Get my hand out the way. You got one there, and you got one there. And then you have the wire harness right there. And that's the only things you need to take off, and then that will pop right out. So let me go and twist one of these off. That's one. The other one's up here, so give me a second. That's two. These little guys right here. And then we gotta release the harness. It's probably easier to put you down. I have to put you guys down real quick. Alright, so I got the real tail light out. So you might need a little screwdriver. So I got this little this open tab here. It's like a spring. I don't know if you can see it there. It's like a spring. So yeah, I use a little screwdriver to pop it off. So right here. So yeah, this is the tail light. So this side's the blinker. So that's the side. This side of the light is out. So what we do here. So you have these clips right here. You got 1, 2, and you got 3. Those 3 clips. You push those back a little bit. Try not to break it with a screwdriver, and then this whole piece pops out. So I have one hand, so I'm gonna try to do it with one hand. I don't know if y'all could see this, but so that one came off. So you just pull it back as much as you can. That one's off. This one's off. All right. So once you get those 3 clips off, this right here should pull out. There you go. I already took the bulb out because I had to go to the parts store to buy a new one. So this is what it looks like without the casing, and there it is. So now we're gonna put the bulb in. So I got my handy rubber gloves. I'm gonna put this on and then we'll get the bulb in. All right, so got my glove on, and let's get this in. Again, I got one hand. I forgot my tripod at home. I'm gonna slide this in there. I'm gonna slide that right in there, push and twist, and then it's in. Now, I don't know if, I think I'm gonna change this one too, just to have it, you know, 2 new bulbs instead of 1 new one and 1 old one. So again, we're gonna push down and twist, and that's it. And both bulbs are in. So before I put everything together, I'm gonna hook the harness up to it, and to make sure everything is working right. So I'll be back. All right, so I got the bulbs hooked up. Didn't turn the car on yet. We're gonna do that together. Let me show you what it looks like real quick. Let's check this out. Put the lights on. Both bulbs are working. That's great. Let's see if the blinker's working. Oh, no, hold on. Wrong one. It would have been nice if I had the key in, but I got the blinker on, so let's see if the blinker's working. Blinker's working. I'm gonna put everything back in a second. So again, we got the socket, we got the new sensor. This is the box that it came in, the name of it. But I don't know if you can see that there. All right, now let's put back the rear tail light. Hold on a sec. All right, so my screwdriver. Pop that out. So I'm gonna pop this in. Snap that in, snap it in. That's all snapped in. All right, so now I'm gonna go hook up the harness. So bear with me. When you're putting that in, when you're putting the harness back in, you want to make sure you hear that clip. That's how you know it's going to be all the way in. That's what she said. Ha. All right, so don't forget to put back your little nuts for the tail light. Again, it's a little cold out here in New York City. Hands are a little numb. I'll be all right. Put the other nut back in. Now, almost done. All right, put this back. Put that back. Put that back. All right, all done. So I did order a couple of more things for the car. The hood strut. So yeah, I ordered this. You can see a little bit of the oil up here. This thing just blew out on me. Last video, I changed this sensor. The next video, let me see if we can see it. I'm gonna change that sensor down there. It's hard to see it, but it's there. So that's gonna be in the next video. I ordered, what else did I order? I ordered a new fuel filter, and I ordered a new oil pan nut that has a magnet attached to it. And I have a major oil leak underneath here, and when I look around the head of the motor or the engine, there's no oil. So I think I'm losing oil through the oil pan gasket. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to get this car up in the air and figure that out. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.